Hello everyone, this is Eric with Auto Replay. See, I got my Goon Squad t-shirt on. I'm actually leaving Tallahassee to go down to Tampa. I got to go take my mother to the doctor for a routine checkup anyway. With everything going on, going for a little ride and wanted to kind of just check up with the subscribers, just let you know kind of what I've been thinking about over this time, you know, because I'm like kind of like Lucky Wills, you know, I ain't got money like that to go buy no Lamborghini, nothing like that. But I started looking at, okay, well, I could start doing Copart walk-arounds. I mean, there's people that already do that, like Randy with auto auction rebuilds. There's another guy that does it too. And I was like, well, I just don't see the cars here in Tallahassee that you would see in like Miami or Boca Raton, the nice fancy cars really kind of bring that stuff to the channel. And I'm so busy with my normal job, my normal company, man. I can't even take off and even go down there for 2 hours, So started thinking, so I'm gonna change it up and be more of a car consultant, and that's what I think it'd be kind of cool. And y'all just let me know. You can like, share, subscribe, comment below. I'm gonna go on to online auctions and stuff like that. And one of my buddies, DJ, he actually started a car dealership, and I can get access to the local auction here, with him. And if I do have time during my week to do that kind of stuff, then I'll go ahead and bring a video about that, about the actual dealer auction here in Tallahassee, because that's a trying to think. I know it's a Tallahassee auto auction, and they have some decent stuff, but I want to do some cool, rare, cars. I want to bring out some cool content that's gonna, make you known of what new things are coming to the market. So, like, I'm gonna have a link below. And this first video, I'm going to be talking about a 2004. It's a Mercedes SL 550 AMG, and the cool thing about it, it's a Brabus, B-R-A-B-U-S. I hope that I'm saying it right. But the cool thing about it is that this car has literally like 13,000 miles on it. Being that old, it's like 15, 16 years old. It's got 13,000 miles on it. If you want to buy a Mercedes, you got to buy one in good condition, with either brand new or low miles. You know what I mean? You don't want to buy something that's got, probably even 50,000 miles, because the cost of repairs on these cars is just so expensive, man. So if you're looking for a good investment car, you let me know, because this one right now is on sale in New York for 4 times as much as a used car would be. But the cool thing about it is AMG, so it's a special edition there. Then it was actually done by a German speed shop, custom speed shop, Brabus, and it's got the front custom bumper. It's got a tune on the engine. It's got the red powder coat on the freaking top of the engine. It's a supercharged 550 horsepower engine with 600 feet of torque. I mean, that thing is going. I mean, so y'all let me know, is that a cool car to y'all? Because I know Alex with Legit Street Cars, he was talking about, he was looking at one at Copart, but it was just, I think just maybe an AMG SL 500 or 550 or something like that. And I actually put a link down on the comments of what it is. And I'm like, man, that one needed a hood, needed a fender, needed some suspension parts. I'm like, he's like talking about, should I buy this car? And I'm like, yeah, if you get the parts cheap enough, that's the problem. Those cars, man, like, where do you go to get parts, and where do you find them to be cheap? I mean, if you get it for a few $100s is one thing, but when you're getting thousands of dollars, that gets very, very expensive, man. And it doesn't make any sense unless you got a shop and a crew of guys to go fix the freaking car. I mean, it's hard to do, man. And Mercedes, like, once they get hit or stuff like that, it's got so many wires and computers in it, like, it becomes a damn nightmare to try to fix, because you can go back. I'll put a link on one I'm working on now. I mean, they're simple if you know them, but they're still complicated. You know what I mean? You still gotta have special equipment. You know, so this is why I think I have a little bit of knowledge about these cars, you know, because I went through one that, not the SL 550, but the SLK 320, and the same basis. It's just a bigger engine, a longer car, the same drop top, you know. So y'all look at this one that's on eBay. I mean, it's got a few more days. They want $70,000 for the car. You let me know, is it worth $70,000? I mean, it's a one-of-a-kind car. You know what I mean? It's nothing else that I've seen, you know, on the market right now that you could buy like that. So it's kind of a collector's car in my opinion. If I was gonna buy a Mercedes SL 550, it's gonna definitely be low miles, or it's gonna be brand new, and then it's gonna be, you know, outfitted to be done by a speed shop in Germany that knows the freaking car, you know what I mean? And that's the cool thing about it. So you know, let me know what you think about it, you know, because it's cool, man, to me. But you know, the main thing is, was it garage kept, you know, because are the seals good, you know, for the hard top and stuff like that. I mean, it's got 13,000, but still, was it outside, or was it garage? And they're talking about they're going to service it. Okay, well, what does servicing mean? I mean, oil change, filter, or are they going to put new tires on it? I mean, you know, they're going to make sure all the brake pads are good, the surface rotors. They're going to make sure the transmission fluid is full, or is it changed and a brand new filter? I mean, what does service mean to this dealership? You know what I mean? I'm just wondering. I mean, I think it's a cool car. I think it's cool that they got it. I think that, you know, I'm bringing more light to help them sell it, you know what I mean? So maybe people don't even know that it's out there, you know? And then, so you let me know what you think about that car. And then I'm gonna have some more content coming up. I'll put a link for the Facebook page too. And every couple days or every day, there's gonna be a new car that's gonna be for sale online. I got there's a company that's actually building brand new 1984 Ford Broncos. You know, you want a custom Ford Bronco? Hey, maybe you like that style, you know what I'm saying? You could customize it how you want it, paint it, whatever. You could order a brand new one from them, and that's gonna be coming up a few days. There's gonna be the Ford Mustang golden ticket pre-order right now. You could go buy one of those. I didn't know these cars were out there, you know what I'm saying? And it's more than just a GT, it's more than a Cobra, it's more than a Shelby, it's a golden ticket. So I'm gonna do some research and find out what makes it so cool about this car, you know what I'm saying? Because it seems like it's gonna be a limited rare edition. This is what I want to do with the channel. This is where I want to go with the channel. Hopefully y'all want to follow me along and go with the ride with me. And I'm just gonna do it in between everything that I do in my normal day, because I'm so busy. I'm building a freaking, you know, tree house with my son, man, and I'm trying to make that pretty cool with him too. So that's taking a lot of my time, and you know, I want to spend time with my family. I want to do some cool stuff, bring some good content where people want to watch. So comment, man, tell me, is this going to be cool? Is this going to be, you know, something that y'all watch? And let me know, man. Let me know what's up, man. I want to know, because I don't want to just be spending a lot of time doing stuff that just, you know, I enjoy what I do, and I will, you know, tinker with my car here and there, but if it's more than 30 minutes, I don't have the time. And I mean, unless I just have to do it, you know what I'm saying? So, right now, I'm taking this little nitro out, and, yeah, we're going to enjoy it for a little bit and go from there, man. So, and there's another, like, supercar that I heard about, too, from another video, and you can order it, I think, $100,000, and I'm gonna find out about that too, because I may even want to see about maybe you know, get with some guys here locally to actually start building, you know, cool supercars or something like that, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, we'll see where it goes from there. And but basically it's just gonna be content talk about, you know, online deals that you can buy that are rare, that are one of a kind, that have low mileage or brand new, you know what I mean? Stuff that's gonna be worth your money. You know, I ain't gonna be doing no, you know, car that's probably got over, you know, 15,000 miles. I probably don't even really want to talk about the Mercedes, but it's a cool car, and that's my first thing that I want to bring back to the channel. So I'm gonna try to keep updating every 2 days or so, bring y'all some cool content, and then go from there, you know what I mean? So let me know if the video's too long or short. you know, you want to talk about more stuff, or even this. If you have a car that you're interested in, I don't care what it is. I don't even care if it's a $200 car. Not that you can buy one like that, but you know, let me know about it. I'll collaborate with you about the car. Let's say you don't know a lot about cars, maybe you do know a little bit, and you want to collaborate. Man, my phone got too hot, cut off. But yeah, so you know, if you're interested in that Mercedes SL 550 AMG Brabus car, I would get in touch with the dealership. Go through the link to eBay, find out from the dealership, you know, what kind of service has been done. When did it go to Brabus? That's very important, because I mean, was it something recently, or did somebody buy the car, send it there, or did it come straight from Germany? Is it a true German car? I mean, that's fucking cool if it is, you know what I'm saying? That's the kind of questions that I'll be wondering about. And y'all let me know, what else does somebody want to find out, you know what I mean? On something like that, you know what I mean? With it being that low miles, everything should still be working fine. And if I was gonna buy it, it's already, you know, tricked out to that point. I'd probably put a smart top device in it. So, because the thing about those cars, you got to hold the actual switch to open the hard top. I'd probably put a smart one in. You just click the switch one time, boom, it opens it. You hit it one more time, go down, it closes it, makes it so much cooler. Then you got a real cool car, you know what I'm saying? You got something that's kind of more updates and where we're at in technology. And that's the thing, like, it probably ain't got no Bluetooth in it, nothing like that, you know what I'm saying? And you probably don't want to bring it up to date too much, you know what I'm saying? It's already got all these custom features about it. So what else could you do? Or will you just store it away, maybe just drive it to the beach or drive to a car show? Would you take it to Meekum? Is it worth more than it is? I mean, the car costs $200,000. It's got $100,000 in upgrades. It don't mean it's worth $300,000, but is it worth 70? Is it worth 50? Is it worth $100,000 to somebody? I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Normal cars that are non-AMG are going for 10 to 15,000. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, and that's with 50,000 miles. That's got 3 times as much miles on it. And then those probably weren't taken care of that, like that car. You know what I'm saying? So it's very, very, very rare. I think it's cool. And you know, I want to see what else is out there. I got a G-Wagon coming up on the Facebook. $1 million SUV. It's a Maybach G-Wagon. If anybody got money for that, though. But that's what I want to bring into the channel, is these deals that you could go buy legit stuff that is worth some money. You got to have paper to go buy that kind of stuff, though. But y'all let me know, man. I'm going to see y'all next time. Like I said, like, share, subscribe. You know, go to the Facebook, check it out. You know, click on the link, then go from there. And we're going to have a good time. All right, bye.